Welcome to DJ's Preston Sports, where we wouldn't usually sell a car at this age of mileage, but we've driven it. It's just going to have a full service, just going to be MOT'd. It is in fantastic condition for its age of mileage. It's got it all as well, very high spec. I mean, the condition, you would not know that it's done the mileage at all. It's absolutely stunning. The paintwork's popping. Front park distance control there. Wheels are in superb condition. This has never seen any off-road in its life. Look at it, it's in fantastic condition. Got the lovely side steps, branded tyres, mud flaps, tow bar, rear park distance control. It's the SD4, which is the best engine, the 2.2. But just look at that, it's absolutely popping. Interior, you'd think being light would be worn like mad. It is not. It is in fantastic condition. See by the seat bolster there. Now where you got electric seats, Alpine stereo system, tilt side panoramic roof. The back seats are like new. Look at that. Just look at the paint pop there, if you can see it. Boot area is in excellent condition. Rear parcel shelf. Again, just look at the condition of these seats. Absolutely lovely. Electric memory front seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, auto headlights. Let's turn it on. Tilt slide, panoramic roof, and the non-slide at the back there. It's 142,823 miles, you wouldn't believe it though. Automatic, cruise control, satellite navigation, heated seats, hill descent. Don't try the aircon. Cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity. Just get that back. Home screen. Yep, the aircon's going cold as well. I can feel it. At DJH, we've full dealer facilities. Please give us a call if you require any further information on 07503 751 005. Thank you.